All right, here's the plan. Obviously, we're outside. Not only myself or Sim and I, we have some friends with us. We have Yannick and Tamaya right there. All right, it's pretty nice. And then we have Brian and my son, Dwayne, over there. Come in, make them see the camera. So the plan is a relay, seeing because Champ's coming up. So I have to run, put on the shirt, Sim going put on the shirt. I run, go down there, eat a piece of bun, drink some water, throw a water balloon.
If you don't need the water is to help us ingest the bun without choking.
Throw a balloon up here, run, come back, take off the shirt. The great son when put on the shirt, run, go down there, do the same thing and we do it 2 times.
No, I'm confused. So after we throw the balloon,
we run, come back up here, take off back the shirt, she put on the shirt, she run, go down there, eat piece of bun and thing. And
so
by then,
it's
shoes? Supposed to be about 9:15 and the show done.
The shoe don't go
all right? So we apologize because we're going to turn, we're back, unless we're going to run backwards. So let's go. All right? Put on the shirt, quick.
Wait.
Shirt, quick. Wait out.
Never.
Wait for what?
We don't start the game yet.
Yeah. All right, put on the shirt. I'll wait for you. Put on the shirt.
Take off back the shirt.
God, she's such a bully.
You're too trees.
She's such a bully.
Wait, somebody give Jody, you want to give us Animal. Watch her now, watch her. Don't kill him.
Yeah, you ready now?
Ready? Yeah. Animal.
You know, take it off properly.
Take out your hand.
Ready now.
Yeah.
Animal. Get set, go.
Yeah, I'm going to run. Come now, that's the one. Piece of one.
All of it. Need some water. Come on. Come on, to it. Come on, to it. You don't drink the water yet. Come on, to it. Good throw. Good throw, boy. Good throw. Well done. Jolly. Long side anyway. Come, go. Get them. No pressure. Same. No pressure. Daddy, when the bun, what you do? You finish your bun. Swallow. Yanni, you pay him out. Come on. Swallow, Yanni. Yanni, you have to swallow. Come on, do it.
Come on, Yanni, do this. Come on, do it.
Really?
Yeah. Tighten.
Come, Tamaya, man. Come on, Tamaya, man. Put on the shirt. We're not shooting.
Come on, Sam.
Come on, Brad. Come back. Work the mouth.
Come, Sam. We're going to win the balloon too. Just come back.
Come on,
Sam,
come on,
All right, let me eat that.
Brian, work the mouth.
Come, sir. Flag it. Hey, which catch one?
You have to go back for another one. You have to go back for a balloon, Brian.
No, it's
Brian, you have to go back for a balloon.
All right. I can plan it. It don't burn. Win what? All right.
That was the worst game. By the way, never cheated.
Well, you know, say I don't normally cheat, but today, to be honest, I think my pocket full of ants. I don't know how the bun end up in my pocket.
I would like to also admit that I did stuff a piece into my brassiere, but I don't know where it goes.
Anyway, thanks to Tamaya.
Oh, here it is, look.
Come make us save everybody. Come in, man. What's our hands take off the whole of your shirt. So Tamaya, Yannick, Summer, I, Brian, and Winnie. Yeah. But on, we're so come. Alright.